Into this video, I will show you how to withdraw from cax.io power tap. Alright, first step is to come to Telegram. Remember, most of these airdrops and most of these coins nowadays are linked to Telegram. So as you can see, this is the cax.io power bot. Okay, so right now just come and tap on start application, then I'll be able to start the application. So if you don't have a link to this bot over here, I'll leave it in the video description so that you can access it. Alright, so just come and start the application over here, and then you start the bot. So you click on start application, and then the bot will start up like that. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So now to use the power tap, just come and tap on this, and the more you tap, the more you gain, as you can see. So you can tap and tap and tap, and as you can see over here, it shows you how many taps you're left with. So for my case, I'm left with 915 taps. So just keep on tapping like that. Okay, so when you're tired, you can come here and then claim. When you claim, your balance will increase. Alright, so right now guys, you're not able to withdraw from this cax.io, but if any information comes out on how to withdraw, we shall share it with you guys. Alright guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.